Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications on your Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Now scroll to the right and tap on Settings. Click on Device Settings. Scroll up till you find Notifications and tap on it. And now tap on Allow Notifications. Here, if you scroll down, you can set the sounds, badges, or there are other options such as showing previews or notification grouping. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.